Today I would like to introduce one of the newest introductions to our Philadelphia commercial luxury vinyl tile line, Alchemist. For those of you who service polished concrete, or for those who have considered it, I think you're about to see that Alchemist provides an ideal alternative to a polished concrete visual. Alchemist gives the visuals of polished concrete, but overcomes the issues that might arise with existing concrete floors that are not suitable for polishing or staining. Or, just as important, an opportunity to offer a polished concrete visual over wood substrates. Alchemist is a high-performance luxury vinyl tile measuring a massive 36 inches by 36 inches. In all, Alchemist is available in 13 colors, from light to dark, and from natural to grays. With a 20 mil wear layer, Alchemist comes with a 15-year commercial warranty for heavy traffic. But unlike typical wear layers, this wear layer is protected with our exclusive ExoGuard Plus finish, providing superior scratch and stain resistance. For your end user, this means less cleaning and maintenance than standard LVT or VCT products. But a finish is only as good as the backing it's built upon. Alchemist has an overall thickness of 5 millimeters. The thicker construction allows Alchemist to be installed directly against most carpet tile without the need for transition strips. In addition to transitionless installations, Alchemist is part of our Lay It collection, meaning it may be glued down, loose laid, or perimeter glued. Its unique embossed backing helps prevent Alchemist from moving with floating and perimeter installations. Its unique core provides improved acoustics. And just as important, the extra thick construction reduces telegraphing and is rolling load approved. With Shaw 4100 or S150 adhesives, Alchemist carries a 10-year underbed warranty. Alchemist is LEED v4 and Floor Score certified, as well as being ADA compliant.